If you caught my last couple of videos, you know we were poking around a few different AI video tools just to see what really sticks. We have been testing text-to-video features and some fun video-to-video tricks, but today I want to shift gears completely. We are going to walk through the Vizard editor specifically, focusing on the workflows that actually save creators time rather than just creating cool gimmicks. Think of this session as a comprehensive tour of the place where long, boring footage gets transformed into snackable, shareable content that actually performs. Let's jump right into a project so you can see exactly how the layout works in real time. I have got a project open right now, and you can see all my assets neatly organized on the left side of the screen. This includes my full-length RAW recordings, a couple of B-roll clips, my thumbnails, and even the audio tracks. You can easily drag stuff in directly from your computer, or you can toss in your cloud files with just a few clicks. Unlike traditional timeline-first editors that can feel rigid, this makes it simple to treat one long recording as a massive source for dozens of smaller individual clips. First up, we have to talk about the auto edit feature, which is the tool I use probably 90% of the time. When you click auto edit and pick the long video you want to chop up, the software begins to systematically scan your video for moments that are statistically most likely to go viral. It is looking for specific things like punchlines, high energy segments, audience reactions, and even the frames that would make the best thumbnails. It is not really magic, but it is definitely trained to spot spikes in audio energy, meaningful pauses in conversation, and visual changes that strongly correlate with high engagement. But honestly, the result feels like magic when you are staring at a 2-hour-long interview and you suddenly have 20 ready-to-post clips sitting right there. Of course, you are never stuck with exactly what the AI picks for you. There is a really intuitive preview panel where you can scrub through all the suggested clips. You can nudge your start and end points slightly and favorite the ones that truly fit your unique voice. Do you want a 15-second TikTok or maybe a 60-second Instagram reel? Just swap the target duration in the settings and hit regenerate. It is genuinely ridiculous how many people still spend hours manually trimming clips in a standard editor when this kind of automation exists. Now, for the folks who really like to get into the weeds, there are straightforward controls for captions, aspect ratio, and branding overlays. The captions are automatically generated and they are surprisingly accurate, which saves you so much time. The editor makes it trivial to burn them in, style them exactly how you want, or just export a separate subtitle file if you need one. If you are a creator who really cares about consistency, you can apply a brand preset to everything. This lets you lock in logo placement, specific fonts, colors, and even an intro bumper for every video. That specific combination of auto features and customizable control is what keeps it from feeling like a generic one-size-fits-all generator. There is a major difference between a project-based editor and a single-clip quick edit that I want to emphasize. If you have used prosumer editors before, you know that project timeline vibe where you are dealing with multiple clips, transitions, and complex layering. This tool lets you do that when you actually need to build a proper full-scale sequence. But if you are just trying to fix one simple clip, like removing a cough, tightening the ending, or adding captions, you do not have to dive into a massive project. The single-clip editor is incredibly lightweight and fast for those moments. Both workplaces exist simply because both of those workflows are real and both are useful. Now, let's talk about scheduling, which is the part where this tool really starts doing the heavy lifting for your content operations. The auto schedule feature is easily my favorite time saver in the entire suite. Just set how often you want new posts to go out, pick your platforms, and the system will cue the clips it thinks fit best into those slots. You can always review the calendar and swap things out if you are picky, but the initial pass usually nails it. I have tested other tools that export clips but then force you to manually upload across 5 different platforms. That is essentially a one-way ticket to wasted afternoons. This tool handles distribution like it is an integral part of the editing process, not just an afterthought. Which brings us to the content calendar, where you can manage scheduled posts, preview thumbnails, and adjust copy all in one place. If something flops or something suddenly spikes, You can rearrange the queue and the AI will adapt future suggestions accordingly. It is finally content strategy and execution side by side, instead of two separate chores that never talk to each other. People always ask how this stacks up to other platforms, so let's do some quick comparisons. Other professional tools are incredible if you are doing deep generative work or pixel-level edits, especially for visual effects. But if your primary problem is that you have 100 episodes and you need 500 clips each month, those tools aren't built to automate the whole distribution pipeline. There are mobile editors that are great for quick, trendy templates, but those are more focused on the edit itself than a full content ops system. Other platforms nail transcription and script-based editing, which is amazing for certain workflows, but they don't offer the same auto-scheduling and calendar-driven publishing. Put simply, some tools shine when you need to create or alter pixels creatively. This platform shines when your main pain point is scale, taking long-form content and turning it into consistent short-form posts with minimal manual work. And yes, there are trade-offs. If you need frame-by-frame rotoscoping or fancy generative fills, use those specialized tools. But if your day-to-day reality is content repurposing, you will be way more productive in this ecosystem. Back in the editor, I want to point out the templates, which are great for intros, lower thirds, and quick reaction cuts. These templates are not just pretty skins. They are actually tuned for platform norms and current engagement patterns. You can apply one, then tweak the timing or text without rebuilding the entire thing from scratch. Here is a quick workflow tip. After the auto-edit generates your clips, go into the list and star the ones you want to keep. That teaches the system what you like over time, improving your results. Also, use the batch caption tweak to correct a recurring transcription quirk so you fix 30 clips in one go. Small habits like that multiply across a week of content, and suddenly you are not spending hours per clip. Exporting is super flexible, letting you choose your format, include audio stems, and get files ready to post. I want to acknowledge a common creator objection, that you like control and wonder if this will ruin your style. The short answer is no, because this tool gives you control where it matters and automates the repetitive stuff. If you love micro tweaks, you can still open any clip, adjust cuts, and refine captions. The difference is that the grunt work, finding moments, setting durations, and queuing posts happens automatically. Okay, final quick demo. I am going to grab this hour-long workshop recording, run auto-edit, and apply a podcast template. I will star the top 10 picks, set the schedule for the week, and hit confirm. What used to be a full day of editing across multiple tools becomes a curated hour of work. Next video, I will show a real-world test, turning a single live stream into 30 polished clips. The clip is right here on the screen. Go ahead and click it. Don't leave me over here talking to myself like some kind of streaming table lamp. I will see you in the next one.